Yo, today I'm showing how to get Black Myth Wukong for free. As you can see, Black Myth Wukong purchase successful. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So what we need to do is go to zestcoupons.com. And as you can see, Black Myth Wukong is free. Now, if you do not know what to do, just go to this search bar and type in Black Myth Wukong. As you can see, it says Black Myth Wukong free. So we're going to press show coupon code and it's going to generate our Black Myth Wukong code. So anyway, guys, once it loads, we're going to go ahead and press get full code. And now it's going to redirect us to this page. So it's going to ask us 3 questions. Just answer those. And then it's going to ask you for your email because obviously they're sending the promo code to your email address. So after you enter your email, guys, just go ahead and wait for it to load. And then it's going to bring us over here. And it says, survey, continue to your rewards. So the next step is you have to do a survey, guys, which is really easy. It's just like some simple questions about like your house. If you don't have a house, like you can just press like, I don't have a house. But anyway, guys, just complete the survey. And once you're done, go ahead and press I agree and continue. And then we are going to have to do the deals. So the deals are really easy. Basically they are, like games you have to download. So let me show you right here. You can see it says survey done, optional offers finished. So now it's going to bring us to the deals. So yeah, just do that. I don't know what just happened to this phone, but somehow we're on 1%. So anyway, as you can see, it says complete 1 deal, and they're $0. So make sure you complete them. And then you only have to do 1, and they give you complete instructions. So that's how you get Black Myth Wukong. See you guys in another video. Subscribe to the channel, and peace out.